With the Sparrow's Nest, simple living with DIY projects and delicious dishes. We had a really great Memorial Day. We had a picnic outside, the boys painted some rocks, and we went grocery shopping and we got some really great watermelon. This is like the juiciest watermelon I've ever had. But if you're anything like me, whenever you get like a watermelon, we always have a ton left because we were only 3 people. And we had all this watermelon left, so we are going to show you what we do with our extra watermelon. We love making watermelon juice and it is so refreshing. We're actually going to do a couple things. We are going to make watermelon juice and we are going to put them in here and make watermelon popsicles. So this is a really fun activity to do with your kids and it's really tasty to make some watermelon popsicles. Alright, so I am going to have my little helpers with me. This is Aiden, this is Sam.
Yeah.
And we are going to show you how to make some watermelon juice. So we have our juicer.
Yeah.
And we're going to turn it on and start making watermelon juice. I'm going to fill it up all the way.
Yeah, we're supposed to take turns because just in case we're fighting with
Okay.
one.
Alright, now Aiden, you're going to push this down, and Sam, why don't you turn it on? There we go. There we go.
That's all we have.
Alright, now turn it off. This is a good way to get some teamwork with your kids. If your kids are anything like mine, they're fighting all the time.
Sam, turn it on. You can turn it off now.
I like to take some of the pulp out. I want to make it extra smooth, so I'm just going to use a strainer. And I'm going to put that watermelon juice through there. And you're going to see you got a bunch of yucky stuff there. We don't want that in our popsicles. So it's good that we strained it. Here.
So after we pour, we're going to put these popsicle things in, and then we'll put it in the freezer so it freezes, so it turns to a popsicle. Ready? So now we're gonna do that, and then the popsicles will go in because then it will be frozen. There we go. Last one. Now it says we only have one more though, so that's okay. Ah! Let's see if I can do this. Yay! We did it! Oh yeah! Aiden, switch sides. Now we have our homemade popsicles. I like to do this. Now we have our homemade popsicles.
Okay, so another thing I like to do, and I'm gonna have my little helpers do this, is I like to take the watermelon and freeze it. And what I do is I take half the watermelon and freeze it, and then I'm going to, the next day, I'm gonna take that watermelon, I'm gonna take the fresh watermelon from the fridge, I'm gonna take the frozen watermelon, and I'm gonna do half and half, and I'm gonna combine it in a blender and make a watermelon slushie. And they are so good. So I'm gonna show you, they have a piece of wax paper on a cookie sheet, and they're gonna put the watermelon on the cookie sheet, and we're gonna freeze it.
Let's put the watermelon on. Can I start first? We can both just put them next to each other.
Hey. All right, so we're gonna put this
into the fridge.
in
Freezer.
the freezer. And we can drink our juice that we just made. Here.
This is too good. I can't stop drinking. That's why I'm making this.
All right, so now we're gonna make a little more juice so they can drink it. And that is the easy way to make watermelon juice. It's so good. You can make watermelon popsicles, you can make watermelon slushies, and watermelon juice.
Yeah, watermelon juice because they have juice inside. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you later. See you later. Bye.
Bye.